Hello all, welcome to Voice Beacon. When you think of dangerous wildlife, you probably picture grizzly bears, venomous snakes or wolves. But what if I told you that one of the most serious health threats in nature comes from something much smaller and much more common? Meet the hantavirus. It's not a household name like a flu or COVID-19, but it's something you definitely want to keep on your radar, especially if you love the outdoors or have an old shed that needs cleaning. So, what is this hantavirus? Let's get into the video to find out the same. Hantaviruses are a family of viruses carried primarily by certain wild rodents, most famously the deer mouse. Now, here is the important part. The mice themselves don't get sick, they just carry it. The virus leaves their bodies through their saliva, urine and droppings. So how do humans catch it? Well, usually it is not from the mouse bite. It happens through a process called airborne transmission. Imagine you are sweeping out an old dusty cabin or a garage that has been closed up all winter. If the infected mice have been living there, sweeping stirs up those dry droppings and urine into the air. You breathe in that microscopic dust and just like that, the virus enters your lungs. At first, hantavirus mimics the flu. A few weeks after breathing it in, a person might experience fever and chills, deep muscle aches, fatigue and headaches. But here is where it gets more serious. After a few days, the virus can transition into what doctor called as Hantavirus Pulmonary Syndrome. This is when the virus attacks the lungs, causing them to fill up with fluid. Suddenly, it feels like trying to breathe through a pillow. But because it can progress quickly and be life-threatening, getting medical help early is absolutely critical. Okay, is there any way to prevent it? Hantavirus is completely preventable. You don't need to panic, you just need to be smart about cleaning up rodent spaces. Here are the golden rules of air out and wet down. Air it out. Before spending time in a cabin, shed or trailer that's been closed up, open the doors and windows and let it air out for at least 30 minutes. Don't sweep or vacuum. Remember, we don't want to stir up dust. Wet it down. Instead of sweeping, spray the area with disinfectant or a mix of bleach and water. Let it soak for 5 minutes. This kills the virus and keeps the dust on the ground. Wipe it up. Use paper towels to wipe up the mess. Throw them in the sealed bag and wear rubber gloves while you do it. Nature is meant to be enjoyed and a little bit of dust shouldn't keep you indoors. By taking few simple precautions, you can keep the mice out, keep your lungs clear and stay safe out there. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give a likes, comments and dislikes and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.